Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Showtime with Bilal. Today we have a topic which is you can see on my screen. It is what are negative keywords and how to use them effectively. So most of the people, most of the advertiser, they don't know that how they can optimize their campaigns. Like if they are using correct keywords, the ad copy is fine, landing page is fine, but what is that one thing that is blocking them from achieving a good ROI or good results? So today's topic is negative keywords and how to build your negative keyword list. I'll show you that. So first of all, let's go through this. A negative keyword is a specific word or phrase you add to your Google Ads. So you have to add that keyword, your Google Ads account, to prevent your ads from appearing for irrelevant search queries, right? While regular positive keywords tell Google which searches you want to win, negative keywords tell Google which searches to ignore. For example, that you want to ignore a free keyword, that we are selling some product, a software, or whatever the product you're working on, and that is not for free. That is, you have to pay for that, right? The user has to pay. But and so someone searches for free HubSpot alternative, for example, then, if the free keyword is mentioned in that query, if you add that as a negative keyword list in as a negative keyword, it won't our the ad won't appear, the ad won't trigger, right? So let me show you how to do that. First of all, let's go with some examples. Number one is standard list. So every professional account should exclude terms like job, hiring, salary, internship, login, portal, training, course, tutorial, or DIY. Because if someone is searching for these terms on Google and you don't want your ad to appear or trigger for that, just simply add all these keywords into your negative keyword list. Number two, Google Keyword Planner. Run your target keywords to the planner, look at the irrelevant sessions Google provides, and add them to your exclusion list immediately. You can do that as well. So let me show you how to do that. First of all, you have to log in into your Google Ads account. On the left side, you have to click on Tools, then click on Shared Library, and you have to click on Exclusions List. Here you go. So here it will ask you that if you want to build a keyword list. Yes. So for example, my list name, I'm gonna negative keywords all. By all, it I want all these keywords to be implemented to all my campaigns, and I don't want my ad to appear for these search terms. Free training, for example. Let's take an example. I have a marketing agency, performance marketing agency, and my services are not for free. I don't provide any training. Currently I have no jobs available, right? For these are examples, and I'm not providing any tutorials, courses, or whatever. Just take an example. So I'm gonna add all these keywords over here. I'm not offering any internship, free marketing services. For example, I'm gonna add that as well. So these are all examples. Okay, so you can add all those keywords which you don't want your ad to trigger, and then simply what you have to do, simply click on save. Let's remove that as well for now. Here you go. So once the list is built, you have to click on it, and here you have to select on which campaign you want these keywords to apply. Like, by apply I meant, remember, negative means that you don't want your ad to be triggered on this query, on this search term, or on this keyword. Click on it. I have no campaigns right now. Simply select and apply. And if we move further, there's a tip that you can add up to 10,000 negative keywords directly at the campaign level for your PMAX campaigns. That is very important. Yeah, so moving forward, I'll show you some examples and some key insights. So these are the keywords list or limit. You can see that on an account level, the limit for negative keywords list are 1,000. On a campaign level, it is for 10,000. Shared keyword list is 5,000 per list, and ad group level are 20,000 keywords list. So here are a few keywords list I have pulled up for you guys, that if you belong to a B2B SaaS company, you're running an ad for an e-commerce business, you're from school and teaching, clothing, fashion, or food and restaurants, these keywords should be added in your pre-launch phase. So before launching your any Google Ads campaign, make sure to add all these keywords into your negative keyword list and apply to that campaign. Maybe you can ignore a few keywords, but I'm sure that 80% of the keywords are mentioned over here, which you have to add as your negative keyword. So first of all, for B2B SaaS, here you can see that login, portal, API, docs, API docs can be added if you want your traffic to be redirected to your API doc landing page. But otherwise, status, customer service, or reset password. You don't want your ads to be based on such irrelevant searches. And then career, salary, certification, training, tutorial, right? If they search for that and your ad is going to be triggered for these keywords, you're simply losing money and you're attracting irrelevant and cheap audience. For e-commerce, free, used, secondhand, maybe Amazon, Craigslist, or Calendars, you can use that. Again, repair, fix. For school and teaching, you can again add these negative keywords. Vacancies, staff, statistics, as examples, manual, etc. For clothing, maybe pattern, sewing, fabric, wholesale. Then, yeah, for clothing, for food restaurants or whatever, that you know that you can add competitor keywords as well. But again, for food and beverage, recipe, ingredients, how to cook, homemade, spices, etc. Right? These are a few keywords I have pulled up for you guys. And at the end, so it's an ngram approach, which I usually use for my clients, for my campaigns. And that is that instead of negating long phrases like free software for marketing agencies, we simply negate the word free. Because if the free negative keyword or keyword is added into this list over here, it will simply block my ad to be appeared for this specific query, right? So I believe this video would be helpful for you guys. And this is a must thing for anyone who is running Google Ads. Make sure to build up your negative keyword list and apply to maybe all campaigns or the campaigns you would like. Thank you for watching my video and have a great day. Bye bye.